good start to the video. So today we're going shopping for all the necessary items to eat incredibly healthy on this trip. So far we got granola bars in almond, peanut butter, and oats, and chocolate chip.
This is all we will be eating.
Fairly reasonable start.
Cakes. Let's buy a fucking cake.
Instead of bringing the roof rack on the car.
Yeah, I never told you, I did a bathing suit campaign for
oh no way, they finally released it.
Oh yeah, from the Spain.
We're in the woods right now, and we were just trying to set up our hammocks to figure it out because we just got them in the mail. Hers came with all the proper straps and equipment, mine didn't, so I just found this random stuff in my basement and set it up in probably the worst way possible. But like, you can sit in it, and it worked. And it's set up really terribly, so when it's set up well, it'll be great. He's in there, not sure why. Touch my fucking phone.
Look, no!
Top's all loaded up, covers ready. Drone, glide cam, awesome stuff. Tumbler hats, Pereira with a headlamp on. Connor with an awesome man bun. Sunset.
No, damn it!
I say it's time to go.
Kirsten, spoiled again.
That wind is fucking strong. Hello, sir. How does it feel to be driving on this road trip today?
Well, I mean, it's pretty great because I'm on a shit ton of acid right now. So,
Just be back from Coachella.
I just came. Well, actually, I'm going to the weekend.
Just came. Whoa, what?
Yeah, I know. I'm going to week 3 after this. Actually, I'm leaving halfway.
Connor, so that's a good idea that we're going. We'll make like a
Been on the road for about 30 minutes. Looks like it's time for some gas.
Remove card rapidly.
Rapid.
No air miles.
How does it feel to be on the road for about half an hour so far?
It's pretty fucking tight, as the kids say.
Yep.
Ready to hit the open road.
Could be described as lit. As
That is also what I would call lit. Oh yeah.
We always use bronze here. I mean, do you really think we're gonna pay for V-Power?
Where's he going?
We are at fish and chips, soup salad,
We're in
burgers,
Mr. Steve's
LCBO.
quality food restaurant. We're never gonna fucking make it.
What are we doing?
We're going across the fucking bridge now.
Sir.
Yay.
Sir.
No paparazzi, I'm trying to drive.
We're going. I'm so excited. I look at this bridge all the time. I don't get to cross it.
Alright, we just got to our first rest stop in the US to get gas, and the deal here was if you buy gas, you get free popcorn, and they give us 2 bags of popcorn because apparently we look like we don't share, which is obviously true. It's true.
But look at him, he's sus as fuck.
Yeah, I am. So
Is that
they had to.
Dude, he had the needle through his ear. That's how you know he's fucking sus.
Yeah, they forgot to finish piercing it. But yeah, dude, that's fucking awesome. So now we're here in some like random ass town in Michigan, and yeah. But then we're heading up to Chicago today, and then tomorrow, let's head on the road towards Nebraska.
There now. That guy said the tones in your photos are shit.
This guy?
That guy.
This guy right here?
That guy.
Nice.
Yeah, can you play Closer by the Chainsmokers on that?
We play Drunken Love. We're in Chicago. Yes. How do you like Chicago so far?
I fucking love Chicago. Chicago is beautiful. It is busy and full of color and light and friendly. happen before the car you meet, have fun.
You look majestic right now. Another day, more gas. Out here on the outskirts of Chicago. And now today we're driving 12 hours into Nebraska. This guy's starting off because I drove to the sea yesterday. Oh, we got Connor inside there. It's gonna be a good day. Stopped in Iowa City. Had some good food. Now we're back on the road, off to Nebraska. It's not that bad.
It's not actually.
It's kind of interesting.
Right down by the school, so.
He was going off like a madman, like 15 over. He was following the guy in front of him.
Miles per hour, which means in kilometers, that's like
and it's a good
lot.
bit.
It's a lot.
It's like 20 or 30 kilometers per hour over. And they see this cop pull out into the road, and he ends up getting trapped behind 2 trucks. So we slow down as fast as possible
and we think he's not
hope to
chasing
God
us.
that he's not chasing us until he finally just gets right up behind us and flicks on the lights. But then he comes up to the car, and we can't get the one window open, so he goes around to the other one.
And it was Ranger.
And he was
like the definition of like Ranger Rick.
Yeah, he was just like, "How's it going, everybody? You guys all right? How's it going?"
And then he looks like hard as fuck, and he seems like a hard as fuck guy, and he probably was. But he's probably the nicest cop I've ever gotten pulled over by. Actually, no, the other cop I got pulled over by was nice.
You know what? He was very similar to the drug dealer in Chicago.
That's true. That's
There was
true.
a guy who came up to us. He rolled up on his skateboard beside us on the street.
Compliment.
He was like, "Hey man, Pereira, I like your floral shirt." He didn't say Pereira, but it was to Pereira. And Pereira was like, "Thanks, man." And this guy goes, "You guys from here?" We're like, "No, Toronto." He's like, "Oh, Canada. Wow. You guys been here before?" We're like, "A little bit." You guys have any Chicago weed? No.
No, man. Look, I get some.
What about some Chicago blow? No, we got nothing.
Not yet, bro.
Would you like some Chicago weed or blow? No, thanks. I think we're okay.
The best part about him, he presented his argument well. He complimented us. All right, go for it, Connor. Go for it. Go for it.
Fuck yeah.
Yes.
That's the thing.
But yeah, moral of the story.
How many illegal things have I done?
Getting
Also,
pulled over today was hilarious, and the drug dealer yesterday was hilarious. See ya. In Saskatchewan, they say you can watch your dog run away for 3 days. In Iowa, probably 2 days. Nope. No! Get it away.
Get away.
Stay tuned for more. Oh my god, it fucking pinched me. Guys, this is how the douchebag vloggers say stuff. Oh my god, so we just got to Omaha, Nebraska, and it's looking great. We got some rain out, but we're still having fun. Connor's behind the wheel, we got Tristan in the back, and we're just pumping some tunes. Getting ready to take some vids later, maybe some pics, but loving it out here in Omaha.
So fucking depressing.
Yeah, and that's how it actually is in real life. This place looks like fucking shit. I mean, there's some mountains.
Any other buildings
oh my
in
god,
Omaha.
yeah, true.
Just
and
want fucking
yeah,
China,
there was a
and that's
restaurant, and it obviously serves Chinese food, but it was named China.
Just fucking China. Go fuck yourself.
Literally, no creativity. Just, yeah, sir, we're gonna name our restaurant that serves Chinese food. China. All right, that sounds good.
Motherfucker.
You motherfucking genius.
Fucking genius.
Motherfucking genius.
And the convenience store that was literally just cigarettes and phones for less. That was the name
And that's
of
all they
fucking
sold.
That was the name of the convenience store.
There's the real Omaha, Nebraska for you. So if you're looking for cigarettes, phones, and Chinese food from China. Nebraska! Can't take you guys anywhere. Okay, right now we're in the middle of nowhere, Nebraska. What's the town called, Connor?
Ogallala,
Sweet.
I think.
Yeah, and we got to the Walmart. We're sleeping tonight.
Walmart!
So let's just like
Shout out
lean
to
back
Walmart.
these VIP seats.
Yeah, watch this. I
Ooh.
think they can do this in the theaters.
Connor, tell me when we're good.
Well, when you're crushing my nuts, then
Okay, are your nuts okay?
No, see, wait, can you sit up a little bit? Nope.
No.
A little bit more.
A little bit more.
Okay, that's good.
All right, that's good. We're leaving fucking Nebraska.
Woo! Fuck Nebraska!
On the floor
your
before.
eggs?
He did.
Did you drop them all?
He did.
You idiot!
You idiot!
Why are you eating in the car? It's cold! Quarter tank of gas, 14 miles to the next gas station, and it is -2 outside.